Hey Service, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl G Shot, that's got everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. So for guys, in this video, I guys to like it, comment, and subscribe.
Hi.
Subscribe.
Hi.
Subscribe.
Please
Subscribe.
Please sakar para. Huh?
Your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I upload another video. Yes. So happy Sundays to all my studies queens out there. Happy Sunday to y'all. Happy Sunday. So today is Sunday and we're going to do a Sunday vlog. Anyway, I was supposed to start this vlog from 9 o'clock and it is about 12:15. So I was supposed to start this at 9 a.m. and it's like 12:15. But it's cool. It is cool. So I just brush my teeth, wash my face, and yeah. So okay, my rice and peas. So I soaked my peas overnight, and I put my rice and peas. I put coconut milk, scallion, pepper, garlic, and yeah. And I just put some pimento seeds in it, but yeah. And let's get in the kitchen. Okay guys, so I put the black pepper seeds in it. They call it black pepper, but I put this pimento seeds, so I put it in here. So the peas is still cooking. How you know it's cooked? You just put it to the side here, you see? And then mush it, and the seed is cooked. It's cooked. So I already did that to most of the peas. So they're all cooked now. The coconut milk, I guess, is cooked down now. So I can wash, I think 2 cups of rice or 3 cups of rice, I don't know. I'm putting this out here. I don't really measure my food, especially rice. I just like put what I Okay, subbies, so I am through. I'm not through, but I'm almost through cooking. I just put the last set of chicken in the hot oil, and while I was frying the chicken, I was like, burning time to make fruit juice. Yes, natural fruit juice. No water added, period. So in the fruit juice, I have like pineapple, watermelon. Yeah, I gotta put these watermelons in the freezer. It's a whole watermelon. I put watermelon, apples, kiwis, and so this is my rice. It's still cooking. Like, she looks so good, like so good. She's the rice, y'all. I'm still cooking her. She looks so good. I can't wait to smash. Can't wait to smash this food. It looks so good. Y'all see that? Okay, y'all see that? Okay. And this is the chicken. I got 1 piece of breast and 4 wings in there. Frying. Yeah, so that's like everything. Oh wow. Rice is good. So I think I'm gonna look after some sugar apple muffins or apple sugar muffins. I don't know. I got it from a vintage YouTuber, so I want to try that. It looks real good. I don't know. Maybe I change my mind. Maybe I don't. But if I do, I'll get back to you, okay? Plated. I'm ready to eat. I'll catch you guys. When people are angry, they talk their business, you know. That's how it is. Yeah. When they know say you're angry, you're turn like you talk, you might talk. Yeah, boy, yeah, yeah, that's how I just yeah. Yeah, we don't get around that. Just not deal with it. Oh.
Boy, if you don't get.
She might try some peas, you know? Oh God, she feel cry. No, sir. I like that minute, this, you know? Yeah, that look like a country style food. You have got the chicken big in the girl plate. The leg big, it breast big till the breast can't big no more. Long. It breast big till the breast can't big no more. Long. It breast big till the breast can't big no more. Long. Jesus Christ. Man. Hey Sabbies, so I came in the bathroom to check in with y'all. So I'm through cooking, eating, and now I'm gonna take a nap because I'm really tired. My ankles hurt so bad, my legs hurt so bad. So I'm gonna take me a nap and get some more energy, and then I'll get back with y'all. So I'll see you guys later.